Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I did this look. It's a little bit more natural with a bold lip. You can totally change it up if you want to, but I figured the last 2 days have been kind of bold, kind of colorful. I was going to tone it down a little bit and do a bold lip just because my lips the past couple of days have been only just natural nude lips, and so I kind of wanted to like switch the roles for once. If you guys want to see how I got this look, be sure to just keep watching. Okay, so for today we're going to be going back in with the Conspiracy palette, just because I want to do a more of a natural look this time. And I'm going to be just using these two colors here, Tanacon and Root Beer, and then I'm going to be using this as well on my inner corner, as well as some highlight. I'm just going to go in with this type of brush here, and I'm just going to dip into that lighter brown Tanacon first, and I'm just going to use it as a transition color. And I'm just going to buff this all over my lid. So then I'm just going to dip back into that darker brown, the Diet Root Beer, and put that on the outer corner and slowly bring it inwards. And then I'm just going to take a blending brush and just blend all of that out. And then I'm just going to take a flat brush and dip into Ranch, that light white shimmery color. And I'm just going to put that on my inner lid. Then I'm going to go back in with this brush that we used to put the browns on and just kind of buff this out and kind of blend it so it's not so harsh. And then just blend it again with the blending brush on the edges. And then I'm going to take one of these type of brushes and I'm just going to dip into Diet Root Beer, and I'm just going to put that color on the bottom right along my lower lash line to kind of bring the look together so that it's not too bare underneath. And what I'm doing is just kind of matching it all the way up into the shadow that's on the side here, so that's all kind of one shape and it's not just a line and then shadow here. I'm blending it all into the rest of the other eyeshadow to create a shape to my outer eye. I'm just going to use some liquid eyeliner, and I'm using the Palladio liquid eyeliner, and I'm just going to align my eyeball. Then I'm just going to take some black eyeliner and just line my waterline on the top and on the bottom. Then I'm just going to take an eyelash curler and curl my eyelashes a little bit and put some mascara on before I put on my eyelashes. And then I'm just going to go in with some mascara and just coat the bottom lashes. I hate when my eyelashes water and it doesn't want to, or my eyes water and then my eyelashes don't want to stick. Okay, now that I got my lash to cooperate, I'm just going to take Ranch and Just a Theory, just like yesterday. I'm going to mix those two together and just use that as a highlight again, because I was really liking how that came out yesterday. Oof. My flat brush again and just dip back into Ranch, and I'm just gonna highlight the crap out of this inner corner because I want this inner corner to be really bright. And for the under eye, like I used the brown, you could totally use like green or a red to make it a little bit more festive, but I kind of want my lips to kind of be the focal point of this look today because we're going to be doing like a bright red lip. Also, I wanted my eyelash or my eyeliner to kind of be a focal point too, so that's why I didn't really put some on the lower lash line. You could totally do that if you want to, but I just decided to do it all natural and then just, you know, use something that was heavy duty, like bright in the inner corner, and then my bold eyeliner. You don't have to do yours this thick, but like I said, I wanted it to kind of be like a focal point, so that's why I kind of made it a little thicker and a little bolder than usual. And then I'm just going to top it with, or finish it off with a red lip. I'm just going to take this Maybelline Lasting Fix Setting Spray, and I'm just going to spray that all over my face. So while it's still wet, if your face is looking a little cakey, take the clean side of your beauty blender and just press it into the skin lightly, so it kind of presses that makeup and sets it, because there's times when my face can look a little drier than normal, and if I just take my setting spray and go over it and then take the sponge and go over it, it kind of melts everything together and it makes it look 100 times better, and it makes my skin look like it's alive and I don't have 50 layers of powder, makeup, concealer, bronzer, blush, highlight, the whole shebang, and it looks so much sleeker. For the lips, I'm gonna be using Devotion number 14, and this is the Milani liquid lipstick. This red lip pulls everything together. Here is the finished look for day number 3 of 12 days of Christmas. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below if you haven't already. Hit that bell notification so you're notified for the next video that I post tomorrow. And Merry Christmas, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.